Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Now we go to the problem. Let A and B be two sets. Show that F from A cross B to B cross A such that is defined as F of A comma B is equal to B comma A is bijective function. Here given that F from A cross B to B cross A defined as F of A comma B equal to B comma A. Well, domain of the function A cross B, codomain of the function B cross A. Well, A cross B means coordination product or cross product. Each element of the cross product which is of the form ordered pair form. Ordered pair A comma B. This is one element belongs to A cross B. Next B cross A means here interchange A and B. B comma A belongs to B cross A. This means here A belongs to set A, B belongs to set B. Here B belongs to your set B, A belongs to set A. Defined as F of A comma B. This is domain element here. A comma B belongs to your domain A cross B. Here B comma A range element means where it belongs to codomain. It defined as F of A comma B is equal to B comma A. Prove that it is bijective means here we have to prove that function is both 1 1 and onto. Prove that it is 1 1. First one 1 1 definition we know that F of x1 equal to F of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2 means function is 1 1. But each element of the your domain which is of the form ordered pair form here. This is A comma B. Here x1 I am taking like this. Here x1 equal to here A1 comma B1 and x2 equal to A2 comma B2. F of x1 A1 comma B1, F of x2 A2 comma B2. Prove that x1 equal to x2 means here x1 equal to what? A1 comma B1, x2 equal to what? A2 comma B2. Take like this, two ranges are equal. Prove that their domain elements are equal. But for understanding I am mentioning like this, domain elements, let A1 comma B1 and A2 comma B2 belongs to domain here A cross B. This is x1, don't get confusion, this is x2. Such that F of x1 equal to F of x2. Here x1 this is A1 comma B1 total ordered pair. F of x2 here x2 A2 comma B2. This is x1, this is x2. Prove that here x1 equal to x2. Here function defined like this. F of A comma B equal to B comma A. F of A comma B equal to B comma A. Here F of A1 comma B1 range element B1 comma A1. This is equal to F of A2 comma B2. F of A2 comma B2, B2 comma A2. We know that two ordered pairs are equal means corresponding elements are equal. First element of the first ordered pair is equal to first element of the first ordered pair on both sides. Well, second element of the ordered pair equal to on left side equal to second element of the ordered pair on right side. Means corresponding first and second elements are equal here. B1 equal to B2 and A1 equal to A2 and A1 equal to A2, B1 equal to B2. Correct. Just here we have to prove that here A1 comma B1 equal to A2 comma B2. Therefore I am taking here A1 comma B1. Substitute A1 and B1 values. What about A1 equal to A2? Comma B1 equal to B2. F of x1 equal to F of x2 implies that this is x1, this is x2. Therefore F is 1 1. Second one, prove that it is onto. Onto means mind it here. Take element in codomain. Here codomain is B cross A. Prove that their pre-image element exists in domain. Domain means here A cross B. Suppose if you take general element here, range element, this is range element. B comma A belongs to your codomain B cross A. Codomain B cross A. Correct here. B comma A belongs to B cross A means clearly here B belongs to here first set B. A belongs to second set T. I am interchanging B and A comma B. Here we have to interchange two sides A cross B. This means A belongs to A. Correct. A belongs to A. Second element belongs to second set. B belongs to B. B belongs to B. This means B comma A belongs to B cross M is its pre-image which is of the form. Its existing domain here A cross B means A comma B belongs to A cross B. That's it. Simple. Finally, you shall write a statement. That's it. Like this. Take element in codomain. Codomain means here B cross A. Clearly, its pre-image exists in domain A cross B. This is A cross B. Therefore, it is onto. Statement. For every B comma A belongs to codomain B cross A. This is codomain. There exists an element. This is pre-image element. There exists an element A comma B belongs to domain A cross B, such that f of domain element here A comma B equal to codomain element range element B comma A. Therefore, f is onto. Clearly, it is 1 1 onto means clearly function is both 1 1 and onto. Therefore, it is bijective function. Hence, f is bijective. What if? Don't get confusion. In the last column, directly I was taking like this. F of x1 equal to f of x2. I was proving x1 equal to x2. You can take directly. For understanding, I am taking this. Let us take x1, x2 belongs to here A cross B. Each element of the A cross B, which is of the form ordered pair form. First element of the A cross B, A1 comma B1. Second element of the A cross B, A2 comma B2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. x1 means A1 comma B1. x2 means A2 comma B2. Here we have to prove that x1 equal to x2. Correct. Here function defined like this. F of A comma B is equal to B comma A. Only B comma A range. Here f of A1 comma B1, this is equal to B1 comma A1. Next, f of A2 comma B2 is equal to B2 comma A2. Two ordered pairs are equal means corresponding elements are equal. Here first element equal to your first element. B1 equal to B2. The second elements on both sides are equal. A1 equal to A2. A1 equal to A2. B1 equal to B2. We have to prove that x1 equal to x2. Therefore, x1 I am taking here directly. A1 comma B1 here. A1 comma B1. Here substitute A1 value. A1 value here we have A2. Next B1 value. B1 value B2. F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2. This means f of a1 comma b1 equal to f of a2 comma b2 implies that a1 comma b1 equal to a2 comma b2. Then function is clearly 1 1. So clearly mind it. Clearly it is onto. You can say that directly. Here b comma a belongs to b cross m is then obviously a comma b belongs to a cross b. Got it? Means onto means you have to go for codomain. For every b comma a belongs to b cross a codomain, there exists an element means pre-image element a comma b belongs to your domain a cross b such that f of a comma b equal to b comma a. That function is onto. Clearly it is 1 1 and onto. Therefore it is bijective function. Now go to next problem. Sixteenth problem. Let f from n to n be defined by f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is at n by 2 if n is even for all n belongs to n. State whether the function f is bijective. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. So you are given that f from n to n defined as f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is u. Verify function is bijective means we are about to verify function is 1 1 or onto or bijective like that. Justify your answer. Here clear domain of the function natural number, codomain is natural number defined as a, here when natural number is odd then your range equal to this form n plus 1 by 2. When natural number is even natural number then the range equal to n by 2. Here domain is natural number, codomain is natural number. Natural numbers 1 2 3 4 so on, natural numbers so on here. So one thing I did, suppose here one example I am taking, n is odd here I am taking. Here 1 equal to odd number means clearly 1 is odd number, then range value n plus 1 by 2. Correct here. Then n equal to 1 here. 1 is odd number, clearly 1 is odd means, then range value this is 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 2 by 2 1. Suppose when n is even number 2 is even taking I am taking. Here 2 is even, here n value 2 here 2 by 2 1. This means f of 1 equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 1. Correct. Here 1 is mapping with 1. Here 2 is mapping with 1. So clearly it is not 1 1 because 1 and 2 elements have the same image element 1, therefore it is not 1 1. My dear, clearly it is not 1 1. Directly I am taking here f of 1 here. F of 1 here 1 means here 1 is odd number, correct. Clearly 1 is odd number means then here clearly f of 1 equal to range value this one. 1 any value substitute directly 1 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 by 2 1. Correct. Next f of 2. Here 2 is here. This is 2 is even means range equal to n by 2. 2 is even. Then f of 2 equal to here 2 by 2. Cancels 1. Clearly f of 1 equal to f of 2. Therefore f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to each range value 1. Means 1 and 2 mapping with same element 1. Here f of x1 equal to f of x2. What about domain elements 1 and 2? 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore f is not 1. So verify, is it onto or not? Onto alternative definition. Range function equal to codomain means then function is onto. I am taking the alternative method. You can easily understand. Range of the function, given function. Here this is range n plus 1 by 2, n by 2 range here. First range I am taking n plus 1 by 2 such that, what about n means here? What about n here? N is natural number, it belongs to domain here. N belongs to n. And what is the condition here? N plus 1 by 2 means here n is odd. Next, union. Here we have second range also. Union such n by 2 such that clearly n belongs to natural number. And what about here? N is even. Mind it, very important one. range of f, this is equal to, here n is odd natural numbers, 1, 3, 5, so on like that. Here n equal to 1, substitute here, n equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. Next, here n equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, comma, set up all elements. Here n equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, comma, so on. Union, n is even natural number starting from 2, 4, 6, so on like that, n values. Here n equal to 2 by 2, n equal to 4 by 2, n equal to 6 by 2, so on. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, so on. Union, 2 by 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are, so on. Here also 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are, so on. Union, so on. Mind it here. This is first set, union second set. Union means set up all elements in both sides here. Set up all, here 1 repeated here, 1, 2 repeated, 2, 3. What about this is clearly set up all natural numbers, got it here. Clearly this is what natural number means. Codoman is also natural number. Codoman n. Range of f equal to codoman n means clearly function is onto. Mind it. It is not 1 1 but it is onto. Yes, finally right. Finally right. Yes, f is onto but not 1 1. So got it. One thing mind it. Easy problem. One thing mind it here. Odd number means what about range equal to n plus 1 by 2? When your natural number is even number means then range equal to here n by 2. Here if you take first natural number, one is odd number. One is odd number means then range equal to this is 1. F of 1 equal to here n equal to 1. 1 plus 1 by 2. Get 1. If you take second natural number 2 here, 2 means here given, 2 is even number means then range equal to n by 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 by 2. 2 by 2, 1. Clearly f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1 here. But what about the domains? 1 is not equal to 2 means f is not 1 1. Daily I am doing here alternative method. Mind it. Range of f equal to, here we have range, this is n plus 1 by 2, such that here n is odd. And what about here n means n must be natural number. Union, second range n by 2 such that here n is even and n must be natural number. Correct here. Here n equal to natural odd numbers here, n is odd means substitute n equal to 1 here. 1 plus 1 by 2. Second one n equal to 3. 3 plus 1 by 2. Here n equal to 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. So on. Union. Here n is even natural number. N is natural number and n must be even here. This is mind it. Only even natural numbers. N equal to 2. 2 by 2. N equal to 4. 4 by 2. N equal to 6. 6 by 2. So on. Mind it. Simplify. You get union of two sides. Here set 1, 2, 3, so on. Clearly this is natural number. Clearly range function equal to codoman n. Therefore this function is onto. Clearly it is onto function but not 1 1. Yes. Go to next. Seventeenth problem. Let a equal to r minus set 3 and b equal to r minus set 1. Consider the function f from a to b, defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Stop. Is f 1 1 and on 2. Question mark. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Your function here, f from a to b is defined by this is function. Here verify f is 1 1 and on 2. Justify your answer. And here, what about domain a equal to here given that r minus z3, and here codomain set b equal to r minus z1. A equal to r minus z3 means all the real numbers except 3, all the real numbers other than 3. And set b equal to r minus z1 means all the real numbers except 1. Your function f from a to b defined as f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Mind it, this function is defined or not, you see. The domain is set A. What about domain here a equal to all the real numbers except 3? Means here x belongs to domain, we know that x belongs to a domain means a. And here total f of x, it belongs to range. Range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of B. Here x means here x belongs to set A means set A equal to all the real numbers except 3 means here x value is not equal to 3. Any other real number this means. Then what about other than 3, x you take any real number, clearly this function will be defined. Directly I am going to prove it is 1 1 because clearly this function is defined. Yes. First, let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Prove that the domains are equal. Replace x by x1, f of x1 equal to x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3. F of x2, replacing s by x2, f of x2 is equal to x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Just simplify. By cross multiplication, x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. Multiplying these two factors, x1 into x2, x1, x2, x1 into minus 3 x1, minus 2 into x2, minus 2 x2, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 equal to multiplying these two factors, x1 into x2, x1, x2, x1 into minus 2 x1, minus 3 into x2, minus 3 x2, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Equating on both sides, clearly same term contains on both sides LHS and RHS enemies. The terms gets cancelled. Here x1, x2, x1, x2 gets cancelled. 6 gets cancelled. Remaining terms here we have minus 3x1 minus 2x2. Here we have remaining terms minus 2x1 minus 3x2. I am separating x1 terms and x2 terms here. Minus 3x1, take the left side, x1 term, minus become plus 2x1. x2 terms I am taking right side. Here minus 3x2, taking it as right side, minus become plus 2x2. Minus 3x1 plus 2x1 minus x1, minus 3x2 plus 2x2 minus x2. Minus minus gets cancelled. x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. Mind it, we don't have space. I am going to verify that is onto later. First listen here. 1 1 I am repeating this. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 replacing x by x1. F of x1 equal to x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3. This is LHS. F of x2 replacing x by x2. F of x2 equal to x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Cross multiplication x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. Multiplying two factors, these two factors on both sides, and equating on both sides. Clearly these two factors gets cancelled. Here 6 cancels. Remaining terms. Separating x1 terms and x2 terms here. x1 terms here minus 3x1, take the left side, minus become plus 2x1. Next minus 3x2, take right side, minus become plus 2x2. Clearly this is minus x1 equal to minus x2, minus gets cancelled, x1 equal to x2. Suppose x1 is not equal to x2 means this function is not 1, that's it. Clearly f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2, therefore function is 1. Now I am going to verify that it is onto or not. So onto means we have to go for codomain B. Let here y belongs to be codomain. Here given that here codomain element, this is codomain element not equal to 1 or any other real number means here y is not equal to 1. This means understood, this is y is not equal to 1 and any other real number, and f of x equal to y. F of x where x minus 2 by x minus 3 equal to y. Here we shall find x value. X minus 2 equal to y into x minus 3. X minus 2 equal to y into x here, yx, y into minus 3 minus 3y. Now separating x terms and other terms. X term x, this is x term x, taking left side, here plus become minus yx. Here minus 3y right side, take the right side, minus 2 become plus 2. Taking x common here, x common, 1 minus y, 2 minus 3y. Then what about x equal to 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y. So here given that y belongs to codomain element here, B codomain, B is what r minus h1 means. Here y value not equal to 1 here. Here y value not equal to 1 means y equal to 1 means then denominator equal to 0, not defined. Y value not equal to 1 and y you take any real number, clearly here this ratio will be defined. Here given that y value is not equal to 1. Therefore, for any value of phi other than 1, x value will be defined. Here x belongs to domain. Domain is what here set A. Domain. For every element in the codomain, there exists pre-image element in domain. Finally, statement for every this y belongs to be codomain, there exists an element. There exists an element x value x equal to 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y belongs to a domain such that substitute x value in the given function. F of x value 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y equal to, similarly on right side, x value 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y minus 2 whole divided by, here x value 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y minus 3. Simplifying this here and here. You are taking LCM in numerator, 1 minus y is the LCM, 2 minus 3y minus 2 into 1 minus y whole divided by, in denominator taking LCM 1 minus y, 2 minus 3y minus 3 into 1 minus y. Clearly 1 minus y gets cancelled. I am simplifying this. 2 minus 3y minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus y plus 2y divided by denominator 2 minus 3y minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 3 into minus y plus 3y. 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y minus y divided by, in denominator minus 3y plus 3y cancel. 2 minus 3 minus y. Minus minus cancels y. This f of x value equal to y means clearly this function is onto. What about is it both 1 1 and 2? Clearly it is 1 1 and onto. Hence f is both 1 1 and onto means clearly f is bijective. So got it? Mind it. Onto function means we have to go for codomain. Let's take y belongs to your codomain is b. Codomain. Here b equal to what here we have? B equal to r minus means all the real numbers except 1 means here codomain value not equal to 1 and any other real number, and f of x equal to y. F of x value x minus 2 by x minus 3 equal to y. Here we shall find x value x minus 2 equal to y into x minus 3. Y into x, yx, y into minus 3 minus 3y multiplying. Now we are separating x terms and other terms. X term x take the left side plus become minus yx. Here right side y term as it is minus 3y. Here minus 2 take the right side, minus 2 become plus 2. Here taking x common factor, here remaining 1. Here x common minus y. Here plus 2 minus 3y. X equal to 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y. Clearly here y value not equal to 1 here given that. Y value not equal to 1 and y you take any other real number, then clearly ratio will be defined. Therefore for every value of y in the codomain there exists pre-image element in domain. The domain is set A, domain. Finally write statement very important. For every element of codomain, for every y belongs to be codomain, there exists an element x value this is 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y belongs to a domain such that f of x here, substitute x value on both sides here, x value this is 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y is equal to on right side here x value 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y minus 2 divided by here x value 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y minus 3. Now taking LCM in both numerator and denominator. Here 1 minus y in denominator 1 minus y. 2 minus 3y minus 2 into 1 minus y. Here 1 minus y LCM 2 minus 3y minus 3 into 1 minus y. Well, 2 denominator gets cancelled. 2 minus 3y minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus y plus 2y divided by 2 minus 3y minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 3 into minus y plus 3y plus 2 minus 2 cancels minus 3y plus 2y minus y divided by minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus minus gets cancelled y. If you get y means clearly this is onto. F of x equal to y means function is onto. Clearly it is both 1 1 and onto. Therefore it is bijective. Got it? Yes. Thank you.